Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tool. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So today's our topic is how to send post request from Postman. So basically, post request is used to create a resource in the server. Now I will show you practically how we can create a resource in the server through Postman. So in the previous video, I have already told you how to create workspace and how to send a GET request in the Postman. So if you have not gone through those videos, please go through after this video. Now I will create post request. So for that, we need to click on new, click on request and give the request name. Employees. So this is optional, no need to give. If you want, you can. And since our API is already under the API collection, so no need to do anything here, and just click on save to API collection. Now you can see that under API collection we have got one post underscore employee. So by default it is giving get method here, but in this video I'm going to show you how to send post request through Postman. So just click on this arrow and select post. Now we need to pass the URL. So in the previous video I have already told you, like, there's one very good website, dummy.restapiexample.com, where you will find all the free APIs. So you can see here there is one free API post, and along with that we have that URL. And if you want that body of that this URL, then click on details and you'll get the body. So I have already copied these details in the notepad, so I will go to my notepad and I will copy this URL, go to Postman, paste it here, and we need to pass body, right, since we are using Postman. So click on body and go to notepad. I will copy the body and we'll go to Postman again and we'll click on raw. So you can select anything here, but I'm using raw, so that's why I have selected here, and paste it. Control V. So I will change the name here. I will give my name Rahul. Now fine. So everything is fine now. We have given body also. Since we are not using any authorization, so no need to give here. And click on send. Wait a couple of seconds. Oh, now our request got passed. So in the response we can see status is success, and inside the data we have got name as Rahul, salary 123, age 23, ID 66. The very good thing is here, right? Like if you have passed name Rahul, salary 123, age 23, but in the response along with those details we have got ID, right? So this is very good. Actually, we are getting the ID if you are passing those post requests. So now you can see in the status we have got 200 status. That it means like our request got passed. The time which took is 200 millisecond and the size is 1.05 KB. So that's it from my side for this video. And so in the upcoming video we'll learn how to send a put request from Postman. And don't forget to subscribe the channel in case if you have not subscribed. Thank you and take care.